All set? Yeah. So this is Tori and Lisa's Grampians ride, all set to go.
How many riders have you got?
We'll count them.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get, Lisa knows exactly where to go. Alright, good to go? Yep. I've got a tyre pressure gauge here. Yeah. And Oz is going through the water. That's Blue Tongue Jack. Not a very deep water crossing. Just stay left, it's fine. Here comes Paul. Michael just went past. It's just stay on the left side, it's fine. It's got rocks. Which side? Just go on the left, but don't go in the grass. Just stay on the track. It's not too bad. Hey babe, we're just at the water crossing filming people. It's all rocky underneath, so it's just follow Sam, Kristen. Yep. Alright, cool. You're the last rider, babe?
I needed a little bit and that was good.
Yeah.
Got me going then.
Yeah, got the blood up, didn't it?
Fast, good. Liked it.
We'll probably come down this one later today. That's Wallaby Rocks. So on the return journey, we'll probably come down that. But we're going to start going around to the outside now. So we'll just wait here for a sec.
I had that peak then and I couldn't believe when I turned around and you were buddy.
I was right there the whole way.
Shit, I was fucking full on the noise there.
Yeah, I was open throttle.
That was great.
Oh, I can...
Bloody decent off then.
Did you?
I didn't see the bloody...
Jack passed me, the silly bastard, just because I was looking for this turn off. He'll probably figure out he's in the wrong spot.
Yeah, I bloody...
It's a bit sandy there.
Come around the corner, I bloody hit a stump on the
There's pretty mixed...
left-hand side and just streaming.
Have a listen to this bike for a sec, Kinga. I reckon it's making a bit of a knock. I don't know if it's catastrophic or anything. Is it just a cam chain's a bit loose? Does it sound alright to you? It's got a slight high-pitched knock that it didn't have, but under power it seems okay. So we can follow the channel. Just watch out for tree roots. It's sandy, but there's tree roots running this way everywhere, and you can hit them pretty hard. So just watch out.
Enjoying that? He was. Off he goes. I've often done that myself, and you turn around and go, well.
Well, I usually miss this turn off. I remember where it is because I did this the other day. We could follow this for a fair bit. We think you'd work out which way, you know, because you passed me and I was like, I know there's a turn off here, and I figure you'll come back.
Yeah, just sort of sit up there, you can't hear you. Right?
No, all good. So this is the Mura channel. This actually runs through our farm.
Okay.
But yeah, you can just follow it. It's quite good.
When I went over, I thought, I wonder where that's the creek you were talking about.
Yeah, this is it. All right, we're all here. We're missing Lisa. That's everyone? Yep. He's gone. Yeah, I gotcha. I'll let these guys go ahead. Yeah, I gotcha. Let's let these guys go so I'm not in their dust. Second crossing, yeah, they're going to wait up there. Do you guys want to go? I'll follow you, get some footage. Oh well, I'll go. Yeah, that was there the other day. You went over that? Yes. You fucking serious? I haven't got those skills. Well, I wasn't game anyway. He went over it, the silly bastard. Fucking hell, Jack, can you do it again for the camera? Go around and do it one more time and I'll film you. Yeah. What a silly bastard.
I know.
Fuck me. Jesus, fuck. That's his skid plate that hit that.
Not on the Husqvarna.
Jack went over the fucking thing. That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
I would have crossed it if it was sitting on the ground, but not up there. Fuck that.
Yeah, some people have got a different idea.
Jack actually leapt over this bloody log. You would not believe it. Jack.
Yeah.
His skid plate's like left a massive hole in the tree. out? Are you the last rider, Lisa? Yeah. He's fine, yeah. Yeah, he went over the fucking thing. For fun. I asked him to do it again for the camera and he wasn't keen. Alright, good to go. My bike's still running rough. Yeah, we keep going along here as well. We keep going to the next one. It's actually the next one up. Yeah, go to the next one. The next one. Marty, can you wait at this spot? Good times, Oz.
Oh, I fucking love that.
Fuck yeah.
Going a little bit faster than you like and it's great.
Yeah. I got a bit of an arm pump happening.
I've seen someone go straight off into the...
I feel like I've been rock climbing. I got a bit of an arm pump after that, Fang. That's good.
That was, and you had to be really on your toes.
You did. Oh, some of them bad.
Oh yeah.
So we go this way next.
Sorry, from one to the other.
The Vic Valley's down here, Jack.
Yep.
So the valley's in there. We're going to go around this side and that'll take us down the outside of the Vic range. So it's all pretty easy now until we get to the goat track. It's just like gravel roads for a while. And then we'll start climbing and get to the steep stuff. What's that?
Too much more of that stuff, you just start getting silly.
Exactly. It's fucking... It's good fun, isn't it? It's a beautiful little channel section.
It's been a long time since I've ridden sand, so...
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's a bit interesting. That's pretty much the sand for the day.
Right.
Now we've got gravel easy stuff until we start getting into the steep stuff.
Yep.